Good morning, students. Our syllabus is, I have completed the syllabus. Now the sample paper of CBSE. Okay. Now we can solve the complete paper of CBSE. Okay. So one by one, we will discuss all of these things. So sample paper, computer science, 2022 term 2 paper. The first question is, give two characteristics of stack. Okay, students, stack is a data structure where we can add the element at the end. We add and delete the element at the end. So it has two characteristics. It follows LIFO method, last in, first out. And second one is insertion and deletion is always at the end. That is called top of the stack. So there are two characteristics of stack. One is, now I'm typing this meaning of this one. Here we apply LIFO method, last in, first out. So LIFO method means we when we delete the element from the stack, means from the list, the latest element deleted first. Suppose we enter 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Insertion is at the end. This is called top. ठीक है, जब हमने एलिमेंट को डिलीट करना है तो 40 पहले डिलीट होगा, then 30 डिलीट होगा. It means this is called LIFO, last in, first out. Second is insertion and deletion is always at the end. It's called top. So these are the two characteristics of stack. Second question. Expand the following. SMTP. Yes, who will give the answer? Yes, Ishmeet. What? Yes.
सर आई थिंक इसका है कि कहते हैं एस का पता नहीं, बाकी है सर मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. सिंपल है सर, आई थिंक एस का
प्रोटोकॉल, सिंपल मेल प्रोटोकॉल. एंड XML
सर, XML का सर वो है कहते हैं एक्सटेंसिबल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज.
Okay. So full forms are very important for your exam. I will send one file that containing the full form of all the terms. Okay. So XML stand for extensible markup language and SMTP simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP आप emails को send करने के लिए use करते हो, और XML it is when there is a data transfer between client to server, that is in the format of XML, extensible markup language. Now next question is, out of the following which is the fastest wired and wireless media? तो इसमें सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए वायर्ड मीडिया कौन सा है, वायरलेस कौन सा है. Infrared, coaxial cable, optical fiber, and Ethernet cable. All of these are cables. These are wired. And there is only one wireless media, that is called microwave. So fast जो इनमें से communication है, that is provided by optical fiber. Okay. So optical fiber is the fast medium for communication in the case of wired. Okay. But in the case of wireless, there is only one wireless media, that is a microwave. Next question. Difference between char n and varchar n. Yes, any doubt in this? First of all, the previous there are two questions. उसमें कोई अगर doubt है तो discuss with me. Now we are going to discuss third one. कि character bracket में n है और varchar bracket में n. What is the meaning of n? Yes. What is the meaning of n? N means size.
Okay. N means maximum size that can that we can enter in the field.
Char or varchar, difference. Now I am
फिक्स
going
टाइप
to
है सर कैर मतलब कि सर वो फिक्स टाइप है वेर का मतलब कि वो उनकी उसकी लेंथ चेंज हो सकती है
very good beta, very good. So here I am giving the definition of where and where can difference between these two. In the case of character data type, it is fixed length. Okay, fixed length data type. So if I am taking a character 10 and in my if I enter more than 10 characters like 12 characters, it will accept only 10 characters. But if I enter suppose I enter 8, it means 8 characters use and then it will add 2 spaces. Okay, total 10 bytes will be consumed. So it is a your memory wastage, storage wastage. But in the case of varchar, it is of a variable length. Okay, it is of a variable length. So if you are giving varchar 10 and you are giving only 8 characters, there will be no any 2 extra spaces will be added. Only 8 bytes will be consumed, 8 bytes will be saved in the memory, so there is no any memory wastage. So this is a variable length and a fixed length. Any doubt in this? Pritika, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay beta. So next is, तो आपके पास यहाँ से it is clear that varchar is more important. It provide us the memory saving. Okay, but in the case of character, it is a fixed length. It is if our data is less, it is a totally wastage of memory. Now next question. Here, this question is from connectivity. Okay, interface between Python and MySQL. So here they are using fetch1. So there are some questions for this. First question is, how many records will be returned by fetch1 method? Yes, students, give the answer. Fetch1.
सर वन रिकॉर्ड
1. If we are using fetch all, it will consume all the records. Clear? उस केस में आपके पास इस तरीके से आएगा, आपके पास जो कोडिंग होती है इस तरीके से आप लिखते हो. अगर आप fetch all लिखोगे, if you are doing fetch all, in that case you will have to use for I in my data. Okay, and then print. If I am doing printing I, so it means first record, उसके बाद second record, third record. But if I am doing like this F0, so ये first field, then I1, it will display second field like this. ठीक है? You can do like this. Now next is, but if you are using fetch many, now tell me, what is the use of fetch many? Manvia? Yes, fetch many beta.
Yes, sir.
Beta fetch many. So fetch many beta will get the records according to your number. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे fetch all लिखते हो, तो अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हो fetch many, sorry, fetch many, so here you will have to mention 5 or 3 or 2. It means it will fetch 4 reports only, not all. Okay, so this is your different methods of fetching the data. Next question, what is the data type of my data object? अब my data की object की data type क्या होगी? Who will tell? Pritika, yes, Ishpunit, give the answer.
सर लिस्ट के अंदर टप्पल होगा, मतलब कि बाहर बाहर
Yes,
से
yes.
वो है, लिस्ट अंदर टप्पल होगा.
Very good, beta, very good. But you will write down tuple because records are displayed in the shape of tuples. Okay, so you will write tuple. Next question. There are different commands. Table is given here. First command is select some discount from furniture where cost greater than 15,000. Yes. Now, Pritika will give the answer of this question. Pritika, what will be the output?
Yes, sir.
What will be the output of first query? Query A. So now I am giving the answer of these queries. Select some discount. बेटा यहाँ पे discount feed column है, तो sum function इसका sum में find out करेगा. But condition is that cost must be greater than 15,000. First में 45,000 okay, 51,000 okay, 22,000 okay. You will skip this one because cost is 12,000. You will also skip this क्योंकि condition है 15,000 above 15,000 और last में 28,000 it's okay. So you will skip these two. So 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 0 15, 15 plus 14 29. So answer will be 29. Okay. Now next question. Select maximum date of purchase. Maximum date of purchase means latest date. ठीक है. And in this latest date is 19 July 2021. This is the latest date of birth, date of purchase. Next is select star from furniture. Okay, star means all the records. Your discount is greater than 5. Okay, तो discount 5 से greater होना चाहिए और जो FID है वो T से start होनी चाहिए. Okay, 5 से greater than 10. But date of FID B से start हो रही है, ये हम show नहीं करेंगे. Second record आ नहीं सकता because discount is 5. We are saying more than 5. Okay. Third discount 0 है, नहीं आ सकता. Then the next record discount is 3, नहीं आ सकता. Here discount is 12. Okay. Here is again good. Now FID start with T. So you will show the complete this record. T006 console table 17 November 2019, 15,000 and 12 complete record. And then here is 14 is okay, but a name is not start. The FID is not starting with a T. Okay, so that's why only one record will be displayed from this table. Any doubt in this? Aditya, clear? Okay. Now next is select date of purchase. So we are going to display only date of purchase from furniture. Your name in dining table or console table. तो डाइनिंग टेबल और कंसोल टेबल आपके पास नेम होना चाहिए. डाइनिंग टेबल ओके. हियर डेट ऑफ परचेज इज 10th March 2020. देन कंसोल टेबल date of purchase only display date of purchase means 10th March 2020. Next line 17 November 2019. So this will be the output. Next question. This is all the 4 questions and this question is of 2 marks, half marks for each statement. Okay, output program. Next is which is used to view the list of tables. Yes, students, hurry up, quickly give the answer. If I want to see the list of table in any database, which command is used? Yes, Manvia.
Sir, show tables.
Very good. It is show tables. Show tables. Okay. This is the command. Now, next question. Give 1 point of difference between equi-join and natural join. Who will give the answer of this question? Ishpreet, give the answer. Yes.
Sir, in equi-join, sir, we have to give the table name, but in that natural join, we don't need to give a table name.
Ishpreet, your definition is not correct. अब सुनो ध्यान से बेटा. In
Yes, sir.
equi-join, we use equal to sign for the field of two different tables. Equality, we check the equality. Okay. But in the case of natural join, second in equi-join, both fields are repeated. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास रोल नंबर फर्स्ट टेबल में भी है, रोल नंबर सेकंड टेबल में भी है, दोनों का डाटा रिपीट होगा, दोनों फील्ड्स रिपीट होंगी, so fields are repeated. But in the case of natural join, और थर्ड डिफरेंस है, इक्वी ज्वाइन में फील्ड नेम डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, डाटा मस्ट बी सेम बट फील्ड नेम डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. बट इन द केस ऑफ नेचुरल ज्वाइन, there is we are not using equal to sign. We are not checking the equality. The field name and data must be same in both the table. And third one, the fields are not repeated in the case of a natural join. Sia, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear. Any doubt beta? No. Next question. Again, one table is given. Movie details. Okay. Movie details is given here. Records are here. The question is identify the degree and cardinality of this table. Very good, beta. Very good question. And this question will be in your pre-board exams and your final exams. Yes. Degree of this table. Beta, degree means number of columns. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So degree of this table is 5. And cardinality means how many records. First line को छोड़ देना है, हमें first field name को छोड़ देना है. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cardinality of this table is 6, but degree is 5. Clear? Kritika, clear beta? Yes, Kritika, concept is clear? Okay, good. Next question. Which field should be made the primary key? Justify your answer. Bit of primary key is field that provide us unique data, uniqueness. तो यहाँ पे एक ही field है, that is movie ID, that is providing us unique data. So that's why primary key can be set on movie ID. ठीक है, movie ID के ऊपर आप primary key लगा सकते हो, क्योंकि रेटिंग, प्लेटफॉर्म, लैंग्वेज, टाइटल ये रिपीट हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आपके पास मूवी टाइटल के ऊपर आप प्राइमरी की सेट कर सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन चॉइस. आइडेंटिफाई द कैंडिडेट की. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी फील्ड को आप कैंडिडेट की बना सकते हो? बेटा, जो फील्ड हमें जिसके ऊपर आप प्राइमरी की सेट कर सकते हो, उन कीज को हम कैंडिडेट कीज कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे मूवी आईडी और टाइटल इज अगेन मूवी टाइटल कांट बी सेम, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन मेक प्राइमरी की ऑफ ऑन वी कैन सेट प्राइमरी की ऑन मूवी आईडी और टाइटल. तो मूवी आईडी एंड टाइटल बोथ आर कैंडिडेट कीज, उनमें से आपने एक प्राइमरी की आपने बना दी मूवी आईडी को, और जो टाइटल जो प्राइमरी की नहीं बन सका, ठीक है, वो फील्ड जो प्राइमरी की नहीं बन सकी, उसको हम कहते हैं अल्टरनेटिव की, ठीक है। सो हियर मूवी आईडी एंड टाइटल बोथ आर कैंडिडेट की, we set movie ID as a primary key, that's why title is an alternative key. Now next question, which suppose a table is given schedule, now they are saying कि आपके पास दो टेबल में से किस टेबल के ऊपर आप फॉरेन की लगाओगे। बेटा फॉरेन की इज ए की दैट क्रिएट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू फील्ड्स, दो फील्ड्स में रिलेशनशिप स्टैब्लिश करती है। तो उन दोनों टेबल में जो कॉमन कीज है, हियर इज ए मूवी आईडी इन फर्स्ट टेबल, मूवी आईडी इन सेकंड टेबल, सो वी कैन सेट रेफरेंस की मींस फॉरेन की ऑन मूवी आईडी। तो मूवी आईडी के ऊपर आप फॉरेन की लगा सकते हैं। Next question. This question is of stack. So we will discuss after this, beta. After discussion of all the questions, we will discuss the stack question. Now, next question is: a table item has been created in a table for in a database with the following: item code, item name, quantity, price. Give the SQL command to add a new field discount of type item of to the item table. तो अगर बेटा आपने कोई भी फील्ड ऐड करनी है, इट मींस you are going to change the structure of the table. For this there is a alter table, then name of the table is item, add in a bracket, take field name is discount, field name is discount, and then give the data type of here integer, so we will take int, so and then semicolon, so it will add one more field. अगर आपने field को change करना है, उसको modify करना है, if you want already, if you are making the changes in already existing columns, ठीक है, otherwise add. Next question, categorize the following command, DDL or DML. So who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Krish, Kshitij, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
बेटा इनमें से categorize DDL और DML queries. इसमें you can give the answer, बेटा.
सर ऑल्टर टेबल एंड ड्रॉप टेबल वो है सर डीडीएल की, बाकी दोनों डीएमएल है।
Yes, insert into and update set. These are DML query. Drop table and alter table, these are called DDL query. These queries are used to change the structure of your table, ठीक है। और डाटा से लिंक जो भी कमांड्स होती हैं, उन कमांड्स को हम कहते हैं DDL. फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू इंसर्ट द डाटा, तो इंसर्ट इनटू, यू वांट टू अपडेट द डाटा, चेंज द डाटा, अपडेट कमांड इज देयर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज here is one table, city is given there, there are some fields are there. Help her to complete the task by suggesting appropriate SQL command. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक डेटाबेस बनाना है, तो डेटाबेस के लिए सिंपली देयर इज वन कमांड हियर, create database, name of the database is my earth, then semicolon, ठीक है। और उसके बाद आपने उसको कनेक्ट करना है उस डेटाबेस के साथ, ठीक है। इफ यू आर नॉट कनेक्टिंग, इट मींस यू कांट क्रिएट द टेबल। तो यहाँ तो कमांड होगी use Meyer or you can also use, ठीक है, connect command, ठीक है, दोनों में से कोई भी command use करोगे. Then for creating table, create table city in bracket, field name is city code, ठीक है, city code space. Here is character nature, character 5. Second field is city name. So here city name, city name, then gives space and then character 30, comma, size, it is of int, integer. Next field is average temperature, again int. Here is pollution rate, again int. Then population, again int. Use a close the bracket and then semicolon. Next question. Here is a employee table and department tables are given here. To display the average salary of all employees department wise. So average salary जब उन्होंने department wise कह दिया, it means we are going to divide our table. What actually we are going to divide our table on the basis of a department wise. ठीक है? Command will be select to display here department ID. This question is also in your report file. Then for average, take average of salary from table name is employee, group by department ID. This is the complete command. Now next question is display the name and respective department name from each employee whose salary is more than 50,000. अब बेटा यहाँ पे employee name and department name are in different tables. तो यहाँ पे join use करेंगे हम. यहाँ पे हम नेचुरल ज्वाइन नहीं इक्वी ज्वाइन यूज करेंगे इक्वल टू साइन से, ठीक है. तो हमारी जो कमांड बनेगी सिलेक्ट, सो फर्स्ट टेबल ने एम्प्लॉय नेम इज फील्ड इज नेम, so we are going to display name and second is department name, so these are the two fields we are going to display department name from two tables. One is employee and second one is here department. तो आप इसके अलाइस नेम भी ले सकते हो. सपोज मैंने अलाइस नेम ले लिया E और इस डिपार्टमेंट का ले लिया D. Now set condition where E dot department ID, because department IDs are in both tables. So if names are different, तो आपको field table name लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, but field names are also same. Now एक second condition है where salary greater than 50,000, semicolon. Now next question is display the name of employee whose salary is not shown in alphabetical order. ठीक है, जिनकी सैलरी नहीं है उसको हमें अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले करना है। तो यहाँ पे एक कमांड आएगी, select, they are saying display the names, so we are going to display only names, display name from employee table, okay, where salary is null, order by name, but here is only one name is here, that's why there is no any issue of sorting. So is null, okay, is not null, these are the two keywords. Ishmeet, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. To display department ID from the table employee without repetition. Okay, without repetition अगर आपने कुछ भी show करना है, department ID from table employee department ID, ठीक है? So here, yes, who will give the answer of this question? Select which keyword is used. Yes, Ishmeet.
सर एक मिनट सर वो दिखाना क्वेश्चन।
बेटा here department ID are D001, ये रिपीट हो रहा है, तो आपने डिस्प्ले करना है, you want to going to display the department ID without repetition.
तो सर इसका वो हो जाएगा ना, कहते हैं सर फिर वो हो जाएगा कि सर फिर इनको हम ग्रुप कर दें ग्रुप वाइज।
Oh no beta, why we are using grouping beta? There is one keyword.
सर एक सेकंड
कौन सा कीवर्ड है? I am typing.
हाँ जी सर ठीक है
Which
ठीक है
one?
लग गया
Which one?
सर 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 डिस्टिंक्ट वाला।
Yes,
कुछ तो हो
very
जाएगा।
good, very good. Department ID from employee. So if we are not using this keyword, it will show department of all the department IDs. But when we use this keyword, it will remove the repetition. It will not show the same department ID again. Pritika, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is two advantages and two disadvantages of star topology. Beta, in star topology, there is a center controlling device that is called hub or switch. So advantages are center controlling. Okay. Second one, in case of disturbance in any connection, whole network will not be collapsed. Okay. These are the two advantages. Disadvantage. Need more hardware cost because we need a switch or hub. Second one is your dependency on center controlling device. Other center controlling device is collapsed, whole system will be collapsed. Okay, tomorrow we will continue with this. Students, take care. Bye, beta.